Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Tech with Anjali. Today we'll know about YouTube growth. Are you ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, getting more views can feel like a challenge. But don't worry. Today, I'm sharing 12 actionable tips to help you skyrocket your views and grow your channel. Let's dive in. Part 1. Create content that stands out. The first step to getting more views is simple: make amazing content. Here's how. First, understand your audience. Research your audience. What are they searching for? Use YouTube analytics to understand their preferences and make videos they love. Second, invest in quality. Good lighting, clear audio, and smooth editing can make all the difference. A polished video keeps viewers coming back. Part 2. Optimize your videos for search. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine? Here's how to make your videos easier to find. Craft catchy titles. Your title should be intriguing and keyword-rich. For example, instead of Vlog Day 1, try Exploring Hidden Gems in City Name. Use keywords and tags. Keywords aren't just for titles. Add them to your descriptions and tags to boost visibility. Part 3. Thumbnails that pop. Thumbnails are like the cover of a book. They're your first impression. Use bold text, vibrant colors, and expressive faces to grab attention. Creating a thumbnail in Canva or Photoshop, adding bold text like must watch. Part 4. Keep viewers engaged. Engagement is key. The more likes, comments, and shares you get, the more YouTube will recommend your videos. Ask viewers to engage. Don't be shy. Ask for those likes and subs. For example, if you're enjoying this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Respond to comments. Replying to comments builds a community. A happy audience is a loyal audience. Part 5. Promote your videos. Don't wait for YouTube to do all the work. Share your videos on social media, embed them in blogs, and email them to your subscribers. Use social media. Platforms like Instagram and Twitter are perfect for driving traffic to your channel. Collaborate with other creators. Collabs introduce your channel to new audiences. Find creators in your niche and team up. Part 6. Use playlists and shorts. Did you know playlists can keep viewers on your channel longer? Group related videos together and let autoplay do its magic. Create playlists. Playlists boost watch time, which is great for your channel's growth. Experiment with shorts. Short-form content is trending. Create quick, engaging shorts to reach a wider audience. Part 7. Analyze and improve. YouTube analytics is your best friend. Monitor metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention to see what's working and what isn't. Part 8. Consistency is key. The final tip is all about consistency. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Stick to a schedule. Set a schedule that works for you, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and stick to it. Be patient and persistent. Success doesn't happen overnight. Keep improving, stay consistent, and your hard work will pay off. That's if you get more views on YouTube. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content creation tips. See you in the next one.